Here I have TCL 30, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So in order to take screenshot, all you need to do is to just press power key plus volume down at the same time, like this, and that's how you can take screenshot. So let me show you one more time: power key, volume down at the same time, and that's how screenshot is taken. You can find your screenshots in gallery, in the screenshots album, and here they are. And from here you can share, edit or delete your screenshots. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.